welcome to the Minecraft family channel. This is Tyra. I have a finish, as you can see. I worked on this for, I think 4 hours or so, if even. I used a multiplacer, which some consider to be cheating, but I love them. So it was really fun to do. Just a quick one, but I am so impressed with it. So I just wanted to make a short video about it. I am really impressed with this warped sunflower. I've seen them both in squares and in rounds before, but this one is the first one I've seen with rhinestones and as a partial on top of it. But I really think that this works. I am going to frame it, and just in the end of the video you're going to see a picture of it framed, and you can see how you think it looks when framed. This is only 25 times 20, I think. Not very big, but it works, and definitely a fun one that I will recommend. I think I only paid $2.30 or something for it on sale. I don't know what it costs today, but I think it is around $4 or so. Another thing that I was really impressed with, I can just turn it around, and you can see all the dirt on it. And let me just see, this is not something it came with. That's totally my mistake. Don't drink coffee when you diamond paint. So let's take a tray here, and the reason is that I wanted to show you how many drills I have left. This was the biggest package which came along with it, and as you can see, I didn't even use half of it. I think I used, this is, as I said, the big tray, and for you who know the big tray, I think there's around 150-200 drills in here. So, and it's the same way all the way through. And another thing which you can just see here is that they're really nice, these drills. I see, of course, there's always the few ones which has laid the wrong way up when and been coated. As you can see, there's one here which is silver on the wrong way, but they didn't have any missing silver on the back or something, or scratched or something. They were really of a nice quality. I can just see if over here I have my other spares which I use, and I was just wondering if I had this color. Yeah, I have it here, so I think that's the same one. Yeah, it is. So I'm just going to put that on top of it. But anyway, I will just show you the rest of it. Here is number 2. I think there's more left in this one than there was in the number 1, but this is number 2 color. And then we have number 3, a really beautiful red, and number 4, burgundy red, and then last but not least, the green one. So there's only 5 colors on it, but I'm really impressed with this painting. I will end this video now. It was just a short one, just to show you this painting. Definitely one if you like a warped sunflower. I think it would look really pretty in a bigger size as well. But if you like the warped sunflowers, this is a fun one to do. Lots of spare drills. So I have attached a video in the end where you can see it in outside in the daylight. It didn't, the sun didn't shine today, so it's a more muted tone it takes on. And at the end, you can see it framed. Subscribe so I can continue to make good content for you. I'm really happy about all my subscribers, but I'm always looking for more. And I hope that you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. And see you in my next video. Happy diamond painting.